This is my new steering wheel setup. This is the steering wheel that I got. What we are doing today is finally doing some show mods. We are changing this stock steering wheel here to a DND performance steering wheel with quick release plus the GK Tech button relocation kit. If you want hot boy points, do this mod. Let's do some unboxing. The boxes are in the boot. Let's go to the back. As you can see in the boot here, I've got some DND performance interior parts, GK Tech parts, also my first that titanium guy parts. Just small ones, but I've got steering wheel bolts that are titanium. My first titanium part. It's the small things that tie the big things together. If you agree with me, subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button while you're at it. Without any further ado, quick release. That's so fun. This has no horn. See, it doesn't press. But I do have a horn button that came with the steering wheel. I don't know if I will have the horn. I probably will have the horn in case I have some road rage. The quick release here, which look really cool. They come in like a few different colors. They're normal purple, they're red, gray, black, blue, white, I think. We have the actual hub that goes to the steering column, which allows you to mount your quick release in here, just like that, and then you can push this down and your steering wheel will come off. This is from GK Tech, which is a button relocation kit. You put your buttons and stuff here. This right here is the steering wheel. Just this. Nah, there's actually something in there. I got the leather steering wheel with grey stitching because I wanted a neutral color. This is the steering wheel that I got from DND Performance. Big shout out to you guys. You guys make some really great products. Ooh, little teeth. Ooh. Oh, I just saw these. It's got indents for your fingers. That's pretty cool. It's actually concave quite a bit as well, which I enjoy. Let's go ahead and install this new steering wheel. Let's try not die from the airbag. Take off the battery so it minimizes our risk of dying from popping airbags in our face and getting mutilated in the face. Once you're inside the car, if you have a look, there's a circle kind of plastic bit at the bottom here. There's one this side and one on this side. There's a bolt under there or a screw under there. You do need a torque set. I'm not sure what size. Who uses these? Except European. You just grab a little screwdriver or like a picking tool, and there's a little tab underneath here. Pretty sure it's up here. And pop that out. T30 Torx bit screw thingy majiggy to get the screw off at the back to take the airbag out. Once I take the screw off, I'm probably going to step outside just in case.
Would unscrewing it release the airbag?
No. Or maybe it might. It should be fine. My face is out of the way. I'm kind of scared. I've seen a lot of videos that ended badly with this, so
Step out.
no, it's alright. Yeah, it's fine. So at the back of the airbag, you've got a few kind of cables here. You're going to take this off, and that should be the airbag out. This is for the airbag, I'm pretty sure, and this is for the horn. In order to take this one off, there's a black tab here. You just pop that off, and then the connector will come out. With the horn, just take the connector off. Whoa! Oh, dude, holy crap, bro, if this explodes right now, I'm gonna, holy, bro, don't even, yo, dude, whoa, bro, come on, I'm so on edge right now. I feel like Baymax.
Press it and then the airbag comes out.
Beep, beep, beep. Ash was wondering if we can chuck this somewhere and if it'll explode. Because I don't know if I'll use this. I do that and see if it does explode. Launch it in the air, and if it drops and explodes, that'd be pretty cool. Pretty much the skeleton of the steering wheel. This nut here is what is holding the steering wheel in. That's a 19mm nut. I need Ash to hold the steering wheel because I don't have my steering lock in. I took it out because of that steering lock fuse problem. It's gonna have Ash hold it. Probably have to push it this way.
Oh, you push it.
Yep. Oh, let's go. Nice, man. You strong. Now, this hasn't been taken off in like 12 years, so might actually put the nut back on just a little bit. I'm just gonna hit it and hit it, and it should come off. Ready? There you go. Sweet, so we got this old one off. It's gonna take these buttons out so it's ready to bolt onto the relocation kit. These brackets here are where it sits. There's these brackets here. So these two and these two, you take that off and the whole module thing comes out. Like that. These are gonna sit like that. Just like that. Sweet. When you put the hub on, make sure this little knob here lines with this line on the spline. Hey, that rhymes. With that line on the spline there. If not, your steering wheel won't be straight. It'll be like off center, and with my OCD, that's not gonna work. These two wires came in the pack. I'm assuming, because this was hooked up to the horn, this red wire goes into this female connector in here, and that allows the horn to work. This is plugged into black module thing here. For the ground, probably put it in between one of these holes when they get bolted down. Let's try and let's see what happens. If you fail, we fail, but we learn. I decided to take everything off again. Probably won't run this relocation kit. That means no cruise control, none of these buttons. I was pretty hyped at the start that I can still keep the buttons and practicality and stuff like that. I'm getting frustrated, so I'm just going to give this a miss. If anything, I do have the option to put it back on if I want to. I'll probably just run the hub quick release to the steering wheel. That's a no-go for the relocation kit. Not going to have a horn either. Anyways, we move on, we adapt, we improvise, we get the job done. What we are going to do is go full race car and just go ba ba ba. No, because I have no turbo. Ba ba. Let's finish this off. We've spent way too much time on this job. It wasn't supposed to be this hard of a job. The quick release goes like that. That's the only way the holes will line up, so you can't go like this. You can't, well, there's only two options. I was stressing about having this logo pointing up, right? But I didn't realize this spins. I didn't realize this spins. Look at those titanium bolts. They're so nice. I love titanium now. That's a pretty cool stack. I like that stack. That's cool. Did this just to mock everything up, just to see if everything did align, and everything's really tight, everything's really good. Grip on this is pretty nice. It's not thick, but it's not skinny. The stitching is really, really nice as well. All these extra wires and stuff that came in the box, we didn't end up using any of them. None of them, literally none of them. We're just gonna talk down the hub. It says 22 to 29 foot-pounds, which isn't a lot, surprisingly. So I'm probably gonna do a 28 with the small extensions. Will probably be like a 27, 26 foot-pound. Steering wheel is done, steering wheel is finished. I'm pretty sure this is 20 mil smaller than the stock wheel. So it's a bit smaller, but it's fine. Like, it's perfect. I don't mind this at all. I can't wait to try this on track. Beep, beep. No horn. I might just have to scream, eh? Whoa! Whoa! Anyways, thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.